Hey guys, this is how to create templates in Gmail as beginner. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply click on this gear icon over here and go to see all settings. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to advanced over here. And now guys, make sure the templates is turned on over here. And now when we compose, just simply provide who you are going to send this to. And from here, just provide a subject. So guys, from here, just provide a template. So let's say I'm gonna go for test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, and now just simply click on this and click on template and click on save draft as template and click on save as new template. And from here, just simply provide a new template name. I'm gonna go for new test and click on save. So guys, let's say I'm gonna remove this, and when we click on this and we go for template, and when we click on this, as you can see, you will have a template. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.